In this video, we will show how to select a device and view the parameters and tools that are available for that device. Let's go to the ACS menu and choose Support Portal. In the Support Portal, the devices may be chosen by subscriber ID, CPE ID, or IP address. Use the subscriber ID if the system was provisioned through Adtran's Service Activation Automation system. Use CPE ID if the ACS is used as a standalone system. Then enter the unit's MAC or serial number. If you happen to know the IP address, use that to locate the device of interest as well. So let's go to the Support Portal. We already have a unit in the system that we can access. So we're going to choose this system. It's in the system by CPE ID. We'll search on that unit. We'll hit Show Details, and we see everything that's immediately retrieved from that unit from an information perspective. The ACS will display whatever it has been programmed to retrieve from the residential gateway. Parameters like firmware revision, status, performance monitoring data. It is very similar to the way SNMP gathers information using MIBs and OIDs. This particular unit provides a Moca interface, so we can gather information on its operational status. Notice the wrench. The wrench provides access to executable functions such as enabling an interface, rebooting a unit, or perhaps changing a password. So what can we learn about the unit very quickly? Let's go back to Gateway. We see immediately that the WAN and Wi-Fi interfaces are up and operational. We can look at the subscriber information and see that it's in service. The unit has been provisioned with this subscriber ID for these services. Let's look at the WAN interface. Are the byte counters moving? You can use the refresh button to increment the counters. Let's take a look at the devices. These are the devices connected to the LAN side of the gateway. Notice which radios or ports the devices are connected to. Let's take a look at the LAN tab. Notice the operational state of each of the LAN interfaces, the ports on the rear of the unit, and the traffic passing through each of the ports. Let's look at the wireless LAN or the Wi-Fi interface. That's the status on each of the radios. Notice the wrench. We can use the wrench to change the name of a network, to change the channel that we're using, or perhaps reset a passphrase. Let's look at the Diagnostics tab. We can execute downstream and upstream diagnostics to verify bandwidth performance expectations. Device log. We can expose the log file of the RG if we want to. Server log. We can view the log file of the ACS if we want to. Workflows. Workflows represent the same actions we found with the wrenches throughout the tabs, but we find them here in one place. Finally, jobs indicate pending actions in the RG, a workflow that has been initiated but not yet completed by the unit, such as a PM bulk transfer. The ACS is able to collect and manipulate data or actions supported by the particular RG. This is why an RG must be integrated or homologated to an ACS, because not every RG supports the same set of functions. Thank you for watching the Support Portal video.